Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at our Heroclix holes. Let's go! Okay, so we're going to look at a purchase of Heroclix figure that we did some time ago. So we got this from one of the Heroclix Philippines trading group member, Nathan. Okay, I think he's one of the newer member of the group. So thank you very much, Nathan, for the successful transaction. And this is an oldies but goodies figure. And as you saw in the thumbnail, it is the Sentinel. Okay, let's take out the box first. It is the Sentinel and some other things. Okay, so let's take out first the other things from this transaction deal. Okay, and we have here something from the X-Men X of Swords set. If I'm not mistaken, this should be the priestesses. One green and one white priestess, if I can get them out of the package. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have the white and green priestesses. The figures are leaning. It's okay. They are generic figures, so we can always snap them back to place, hopefully. Okay. Green and white priestesses. Okay, so we want more and more generics for obvious reasons. And then we have here the main character, but you can see there are some mini sentinels inside. So this particular piece is already pre-opened, or as old figures usually are, they've been opened. So let's take out the old sentinels, or the smaller sentinels, before we head to the big one. Okay, I don't have my knife with me right now, which would really help. Okay, there we go. Let's be careful. Okay, finally. So we have the small sentinels here. It's still taped on the side. I wonder if we can get the small sentinels out with just... Okay. Okay. There we go. Oops, the hand. Okay, I'm making a mess. So let's try to slowly unbox it. Okay. I'm doing it slowly because I want to keep the big sentinel in the box. Okay, that's my plan. I already have a couple of these sentinels. I think I have the blue and the red one, the veteran and the experience. But the one I got don't have the extra arms, so, and I don't have the box of the ones I have. Okay, they are loose in a sense. So being able to get one that is, or that has the box, is always a good thing. Okay, let me try to return the arms in the package. Okay, this video is going to be a bit awkward because I'm messing around it without my knife. Slowly. There we go. Okay. How is this? Okay. So we have here veteran Sentinel troopers. Let's put them. I already have a bunch of this, but having some more doesn't hurt. Okay, generics. And then finally, the main reason we purchased this would be for the Sentinel 2x2. Okay, so we're not gonna take him out of the clear case. As I said, I plan to keep the packaging intact as much as possible, and since we already have this on display, okay, but you can just take a look at that. And moreover, we can take a look at the box. I haven't seen this box before. As I said, I usually have loose Sentinel. This is from Infinity Challenge. Okay, the WizKids Duck collectible, not collectible, collectible miniatures game. Okay, scanning. Target lock, designate unidentified threat, capture protocol, engage. Okay, so that's what they usually say. The Sentinels elevation is here, and then Sentinel label. Let's take a look at the box. So Marvel Heroclix Infinity Challenge. I think this is the first set. Way back, let's see, 2002 here. Way back 2002. So the first year of Heroclix. 8088. Can you imagine if it's 8888? That would have been a lucky number. So secretly created by the government to quote-unquote solve the mutant menace, programmed to feel no fear, no regret, no pain, given one directive: capture and kill mutants. The Marvel Heroclix Sentinel is a soulless machine of incredible power. Soulless because it's a robot. The first Heroclix figure with the ability to capture foes. I don't know the capture ability, but that's very thematic for Sentinels. The Sentinel is the largest Marvel Heroclix figure produced so far. It has 3 different power levels: the Mark 1, Mark 3, and Mark 7. So it can challenge heroes and villains of different power levels. The Sentinel is designed to be effective for hunt and destroy or seek and capture missions, and thus comes equipped with a set of closed fists and a second set of hands that holds capture figures. So that's it. Okay, closed fist and open hands. Okay, makes sense. So I don't know if you replace the hands during the game just to indicate whether they have captured or holding another character. Okay. The Sentinel is the perfect weapon to use against Wolverine, Cyclops, and any of the X-Men or their greatest enemy, Magneto. Marvel Heroclix starter set is needed to play Marvel Heroclix Infinity Challenge. Okay, some more translations, and again, the Sentinel figure. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I like the detail of this figure, especially the bullet wounds, I guess. Okay, and it's really solid, okay, compared to newer figures. Okay, so good thing that it's in pristine condition. I think Nathan mentioned that instructions on how to play this can be downloaded online, so I'll probably have to do that, but mostly this will be for display anyway. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna wrap up this video, put this back on the box, keep the box for display, I guess, and until next time, bye bye.